Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I will show you how you can make realistic AI avatars like this one.
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm an AL avatar created entirely by...
We will be able to do this type of videos with a single click of a button. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now for our first method, we want to open up our browser, and inside your browser you want to open up google.com. Inside Google, we want to search for Verbo Wondershare. We will then be prompted to the search results right here. You want to click on verbo.wondershare.com and we will be taken to this website. In here, you want to download their software by clicking on the free download button. Once done, you want to open up the file that we have downloaded, and inside you want to click on this checkbox and click on install. Now it will take us to this application where it will go ahead and guide us on how we are going to use the Verbo Wondershare. You want to go ahead and click on the skip guide button. You want to log in an account, or if you don't have any, you can just go ahead and make a new one. After logging in our account, you want to go ahead and click on the create video button, and inside you want to choose a video aspect ratio. Basically, if you want to create a vertical video, you want to choose the portrait option, but if not, we are going to proceed with the landscape version. Click on create video, and now we will be brought to the video editor right here. To proceed, you want to choose your avatar by clicking on the avatars button, and inside you can go ahead and choose tons and tons of presets that they have in Verbo. Inside we have the female category, we have the male category, marketing category, and more. But basically, if you want to make your AI character more realistic, you want to choose on the fixed background category. And you can now go ahead and choose an option that perfectly fits with your video. In our case, we are going to select the fourth one right here. And right after selecting your avatar, you want to click on OK. So the first thing that we are going to edit is our text script right here. You can go ahead and change your script by modifying the text box right here. And right after typing your script, you can then go ahead and listen to the voice that you are going to create by pressing on the play button.
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm an AL avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks.
And as you can hear, these voices are robotic. But we have another AI tool that we are going to use in order to make our AI character more realistic, and that is by using 11 Labs. Immediately inside 11 Labs, you can start typing your text in order to turn it into voices. So in this video, I am going to copy what I've input inside the text script of Verbo into 11 Labs. And right after typing your text, you can then customize these voices by clicking on this button. If you want to listen to these voices before you generate them, you can just go ahead and click on the play button right beside their name.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but...
Friends show their love and time.
The world is round.
Since my character is a female, I am going to look for a female voice. And right after choosing your voice, you can now go ahead and generate them by clicking on the generate speech button. But if you want to customize your voice even further, you can click on the settings button. But to make this tutorial simple, we are now going to generate the speech with the Matilda preset.
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm an AL avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks. Try out yourself today.
So surely with this AI voice, we will be able to make a realistic AI character. To proceed, you want to download this voice by clicking on the download button. Going back to Verbo, you want to click on audio upload, And from here, you want to drag the audio that we have generated using 11 Labs. Right after uploading your file, you want to select the appropriate language. Once done, click on Apply. And of course, you want to check the subtitles before we export this video. But if you don't want any subtitles into your video, you can then go ahead and disable them by clicking on the subtitle option. And if we go ahead and hit on the play button, we will then go ahead and hear our audio with the still image.
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm an AL avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks.
And right after, to export the video, you want to click on the export button. And in here, you want to select what you prefer. In my case, I'll be exporting my video to 720p. Click on export now and wait for the export to finish.
Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm an AL avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks. Try out yourself today.
And to make things better, there is also a feature inside this application where you can go ahead and translate any video. For example, we are going to translate the video that we just exported. To proceed, you want to click on Video Translate. And in here, you want to drag the video that you want to translate. Right after, choose the original language of the video. And you can now go ahead and translate it into any language that they have right here. And to make the video even more realistic, you want to enable the lip sync feature. Right after, click on the translate video. And after a couple of minutes, we have managed to translate our video. Now take note that you can also go ahead and take a video of yourself and use this feature to translate that video. But let's go ahead and preview the translation right here.
Kamusta? Ako si Caroline. Isa akong AL avatar na nilikha ng buong artificial intelligence. Maaari ka ring gumawa ng video na katulad nito sa ilang...
And as you can go ahead and see, the video translate button is also fantastic. Now before we end the video, if you want to avail the subscription for Verbo, you can then go ahead and click on the upgrade button. Now they offer these plans right here. If you are only using the free trial, you can only use 2 credits. Meanwhile, if you are using the monthly plan for Verbo, you can get 10 credits per month. You can just go ahead and view all of the description in this website right here, verbo.wondershare.com/store/buyverboapp.html. So guys, in that way, you will be able to create a realistic AI character. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.